It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We're here at Delray Medical Center, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with orthopedic surgeon Dr. Kephart about options for joint replacement and the importance of not delaying medical care. Dr. Kephart, you're an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine with a concentration on conditions and injuries of the shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee, with a specialty in minimally invasive knee replacement surgery. Tell us about the types of conditions you treat.
I treat anything from athletic injuries involving ligament ruptures, meniscus tears, and all the way to chronic conditions like arthritis that may require a partial knee replacement or a full knee replacement.
Delray Medical Center offers the Navio Robotic Assisted Total and Partial Knee Replacement. Can you tell us a little bit more about these procedures and what are the benefits of using the Navio for patients?
The Navio Robotic System has been a great addition to the hospital. It's great for the patients in that the surgery can be done less invasive, so smaller incision, less bleeding, and we get better ligament balancing, so I think a much quicker functional return to activity. It allows us to create a specific plan for each patient by mapping out the bone and creating a 3D model and then balancing the ligaments appropriately. It also helps execute the surgical plan and making precise and accurate bone cuts and fitting the implants properly.
Many conditions, if left untreated, can become increasingly painful and even dangerous. What advice do you have for patients who may have pain or discomfort but are delaying care out of fear of coming to the hospital?
If you delay treatment for a long time, it could make your pain and your quality of life worse, obviously, and then it can make the surgery a little more difficult. So if it's something you've been putting off, I don't think that's really a concern at this point.
The joint replacement program at Delray Medical Center is very advanced. Why should a patient choose Delray for total joint replacement?
Education is very important pre-operatively. Everyone will come in, have a class, basically an educational class, booklets given to answer a lot of questions. Everyone will be, at this point, COVID tested the week of the surgery. And then after surgery, going to the orthopedic floor, it's a dedicated unit. So all healthy patients up there, elective surgeries that have been performed, the physical therapy staff is excellent. They'll get you up walking the same day, whether it's we're talking about knee replacements or even hip replacements, they'll walk the same day. And the nursing staff is very comfortable. We've done so many of these procedures here that they're very comfortable with anything that may come up.
Tell us about the safety measures the hospital has in place to keep patients safe.
They have preoperative testing for COVID. So all the people coming in for elective surgery are going to be tested negative. We have the appropriate protective equipment for the staff and the patients. You will be separated from any sick patients. They're in a separate part of the hospital, not coming in contact with you if you're coming in for elective surgery. And the orthopedic floor is also a separate area. So when you're recovering and doing physical therapy, it's only going to be in a very safe environment with other healthy patients.
We have all heard the stories of patients being alone in the hospital, which is frightening to most. But at Delray Medical Center, patients are allowed and encouraged to have one support person when having an elective surgery. How important is this for the patients?
It's very important to have a family member or a loved one with you with having a big surgery such as a knee replacement done. There's some fear with it. You need the comfort of somebody that's familiar to help you through, and we're happy to allow one family member with the patients through their recovery process. I think it makes a world of difference. When you're by yourself, could be a little scarier.
Thank you, Dr. Kephart, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it is important to take care of your health. And if you need surgery, please do not hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at Delray Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.